This is Dr. Eti. Now today we are going to explore and compute this limit of the function problem. Limit x tends to a sine of x minus a by x square minus a square. Now we are going to solve this problem. First of all, put x equals to a plus h. So that as x tends to a, as goes to h tends to 0. Why? Because here in place of a, write a minus a, 0. Then write the given problem. Limit x tends to a sine of x minus a by x square minus a square. I mean, here by the given problem, in place of x substitute a plus h, then automatically the limit also changed here, h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, sine of in place of x write a plus h minus a by a plus h whole square minus a square. Limit h tends to 0, plus a minus a gets cancels, therefore sin h by a square plus h square plus 2ah, applying a plus b whole square formula, minus a square. Now splitting into the limits, limits h tends to 0, sin h by h, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h plus 2a. Here minus a square plus a square gets cancelled. These two terms write h into 1 plus, h plus 2a. These two terms here write sin h by h into remaining h plus 2a. Now only limit h tends to 0, sin h by h into h plus 2a. Splitting into the limits here, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h plus 2a. Then only substitute in place of h 0. This is in place of h 0, we'll get 1 by 2a. According to the formula here, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x means 1. So using the same formula here, in terms of x means h is there, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h means 1. Therefore, here in place of h substitute 0, 1 by 2a. Therefore, we'll get 1 by 2a. Okay, thank you.